Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this phone number is already linked on ChatGPT. So let's get into it. To fix this phone number is already linked on ChatGPT, you need to use another phone number. If you have a second number, you can use it to link to your ChatGPT account. You can also use a friend or family member's phone number. If you didn't link your phone number before but you're getting the error, you need to contact OpenAI support for help. Go to help.openai.com. Click on the chat bubble on the bottom right. Click on Messages. Ask the bot a question. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.